Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. So in this video I'll show you how to create this beautiful forest strands waterfall braid, and I'll also show you how to create rows with hair. I have a straightener hair as usual because I like to straight hair before any hairstyle, but you don't have to, it is completely optional. Creating hairstyle on a straight hair is very challenging, so I'll never suggest you to straight the hair before any hairstyle because you have no texture, no grip. You can crimp the hair instead for texture and grip. I'm starting with middle parting, but you can create this hairstyle on side parting as well. I'm taking small section from her part line and smoothing the section with the help of my fingers. Now I'm dividing this section into two equal sections. Then I will further divide these sections into two equal sections. This way I get four even sections. The key to create four strands waterfall braid is to always start from the top. So I'm gonna cross the top section under the next section and over the next section and under the next section. Now I'm gonna drop that section. So I am crossing the top section under the middle section, but this time adding a small section of hair with top section. Smoothing out this section with the help of my fingers. I'm re-adjusting my finger and I'm taking my time. Again I'm gonna cross this bottom section under the middle. So middle section is resting on my thumb. I'm taking a small section right next to the strain I just dropped and crossing over that bottom section. I'm gonna drop this strain again, and this is our second waterfall strain, and I'm making her hold these strains so they will not come in a way when I'm braiding. I know this hairstyle looks really complicated, but it is actually very easy hairstyle. Once you practice it, you'll be pro in no time. Again, I'm crossing the top section under the middle. Middle section is resting on my thumb out of the way. I'm also adding a small section of hair with top section and smoothing this section with the help of my fingers. I'm gonna repeat these steps until I reach the back of the head. And I want to apologize for any background noise because I cannot control them, so I hope you don't mind that. I'm really sorry for that. I have created the same braid on the other side. Now I'm securing both the braids with the help of rubber band. Now here's the fun part. I'm gonna create the rows. So for that I'm creating three strands braid. I am pancaking the right side of this braid to get the shape of the rose petals. I am securing this rose with the help of some bobby pins and I am making sure that the pins are not visible at all. And here's the final result. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care of yourself.